Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Potomac Beads treasure box for December of 2025. I'm running a little late with that. I'm thinking I had COVID now. This started about a week and a half ago, and I did a couple unboxings, but I think I had COVID. I'm not sure. I never took a test because I didn't realize it. But anyway, I'm feeling better, so everything's running a little late this month, including my Christmas shopping. So I'm doing the unboxing for Potomac Beads, and I did peek. This one is called Festive Radiance, and we got some really cool things. And I will leave a link below. Allie, the owner of Potomac Beads, her and her daughter did the tutorial for this. These are the mixed wood pack from the treasure box, and they make a little Christmas tree ornament. It's so cute. I will leave a link below in the description so that you can watch it, because I probably won't have time to do that this month. But then there's little spacers in between. It was so cute, and I thought, what a festive little addition to the box this month. So I will leave that link below so you can watch it. So if you do get the Potomac bead box, you'll know exactly how to put all that together. So let me get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the Czech glass tile beads, and these are in opaque red travertine. They're 16 millimeter, and I do have a coupon code for 15% off your first order with them. I will leave it in the description below so you can just copy it and paste it. And I'll leave a link as well to the Potomac Beads website, so you have that. So these are really pretty. We've gotten these before in green. So, oh, look at that little piece of red in there. That's really pretty. Very pretty. And number 2 is Azuki seed beads in 11O. These are pretty. I'm just going to put some of them up. Pretty bright pink. I love their seed beads. These are Miyuki's opaque fuchsia. We've got these. And then, these are really pretty. Tubelet beads, crystal etched vitral pack, full pack of 20. Let me get one of I have eye pins here. So this is what they look like. They're really pretty, the vitral edge. So here's 2 of them. Let's see, they have that little sparkle to them. Really pretty. And these are fun too. If you sew them, like try to sew them round, they'll make the little pointed edges. So we have those. Then we have the round duo mini beads, metallic emerald, 4 millimeter pack of 30. I love these duo and trio beads that they send us, because they have the two holes, so you can really do some fun things with them. We have them in a really pretty color. Let me get this open. Okay, and next are faceted round trio beads, crystal amber pack of 10. There's a few of them. Oh, I see. Okay, so they are. Oh, look at that. So they are. This is just one of them. So it's a long way. It's like a fire polish bead. Usually the holes are on this side, but they're on the edges. Ooh, that could be really fun. I've never seen a trio bead like this before. So I don't know if you can see it in the, there's 3 holes in there. That's really pretty. Very interesting. I was looking at it and I'm like, round trio beads, what? I'm like, these are fire polish beads. And these are Iris Duos beads in white shimmer, package of 20. Oh, these are pretty. So now let me put a few on my hand because that's a white background. Okay, so there's a flat, so there's the flat bottom. And then if you could see that from this side, so then there's, yeah. So there's this flat, that's the round, see, and then there's the flat bottom. So these are really pretty. So there's 20 of these. Okay, oh, this next one is gorgeous. Potomac Crystal Water Drop Pendant. This is beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. Be really cool. A ring. Definitely a pretty pendant though. And if you know how, you can bead around it, or you could just, you know, there's so many different things you could do with this. That's the back of it. Beautiful faceted bead. Gorgeous. Okay. And next are the Potomac Crystal Pear Drop Beads, Purple Flare, 18 by 13 millimeter, a pack of 2. So these have a hole going through. Okay, so that's one side, and that's the other side. So the hole goes through like that. These would be really pretty. Ooh, gorgeous. Make some pretty dangle earrings. And these are Czech star beads, 6 millimeter. Let's see where oh, here's the hole right here. So you get these. Really cute. Okay, and next is the Bead Tech knotting cord in gold, 0.5 millimeter. I don't want to undo it, but I think you could see it from there. It's 20 meters, 65.62 feet. Nylon cord for macrame knotting and crafting. They've given us quite a few different of these cords, and I really love them. So next are Gemstone Pink Tones Jade Faceted Rondelles. This is really pretty. Oh, look at these. Gorgeous. Love me a pretty pink gemstone. I like that little bit of orange in there too. It's kind of pretty. Lots you can do with that. You can make yourself a double strand bracelet. You can use this to make a necklace. And you could take like a bead and put it between each one. There's a lot you can do with these. So very pretty. And I love that they're faceted. Okay. And next are the Potomac Pearls Pale White Satin 6 millimeter half strand. These are really pretty. Very pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. And next, these are really pretty. Athena Cast Links Hollow Filigree Premium Package of 2. We have, I think we have these in copper too, if I'm not mistaken. I have some in my, I have a Potomac Beads drawer. And I think we had gotten them in copper too. So now I have them in the gold and in the copper. They're really pretty. They're very light too. So like these would be pretty like for dangle earrings and stuff like that, you know. Or you can do like a double for a pendant necklace. You know, you can use that as a pendant, or use them as connectors in the necklace. Lots of possibilities. Next is Potomac Crystal Bicone Beads in Emerald. 4mm package of 60. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these beauties. Look how they shine. Ooh. Need sunglasses. Oh. So yeah, these are really pretty. And then these are always fun to get. Potomac Crystal Rose Monty Color Shift Green Fire. Crystal Montees they're called. And so I'm showing you the back, and like that's the back and that's the front. So they actually go both ways. So that's like a cross in the back. So you could go either way with them. So they're really fun to bead weave with. So like here is, let me see here. So you got it, it can go this way, or it can go this way. So really fun. Lots of unique possibilities with these. And last but not least, we have, I'm not going to open this, the mixed wood pack, the Hemu wood beads and the laser cut beads. So they gave us these with the stars and these, and they go in between this. It's really cool. So you open these up, and then you use the knotting cord, and you put it up and you start it at the bottom, and this would be the bottom of the tree, and then you go up with those roses, and then you use this at the top of the tree. You can have 2 of them. Yeah, if you're interested in how to use it, I will leave the link that Allie left. Her and her daughter made the tree. It was really cute. Very unique. You know, I loved it that they didn't do a Christmas themed box, but yet they added a Christmas gift in there. So I think it'd be really cool. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I absolutely loved Potomac Beads. I've been working with them for a couple years now. This box, if you price it monthly, this is their treasure box. It's $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99. So you save $60 a year. If you price it annually, it's $29.99. So you save $120 a year. And then you can save 15% off on your first order using my coupon code below. So let me know down in the comments if you get their beads and what you think of them. So I will leave links below. Links below as well to my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm loving doing my YouTube channel, and I have a lot of fun stuff coming up. So you stay tuned, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much, and have a great day.